Guess what's here? It's the first sample of my new calendar. Check her out. It's got the shot of Adairsville here in 1946. I'll show you this here. So starting with this in September, some cool rides there. Let me open the next one. And here we got October, very spooky, eh? We got November, moving day. And we got December. This is one of our friends' houses. Used to live very close. And then we've got, this is January, a snowy beetle. This is the wrecking yard. There's a surprise in this one. Can anyone spy it? And then we got March. This is in one of the very original Coke ads in Adairsville, Georgia. And we got 37 Studebaker over in Powder Springs at a Coca-Cola shop. Got a tractor. That was done specifically for John Deere. And then we've got the Waffle House. One of the very original locations too. Then we got Checkers. These guys are trying to get a hold of me for the longest time. And I managed to come by one of their locations and do a shot for them. And then they found out. This was done in the Disneyland parking lot in Orlando, Florida. This one is in Micanopy, Florida. Went down there. We got October. This is at Sicky's Garage. And we got November. Veterans Day. I wonder how many World War II veterans are following me. If you're one, comment below. We got this is December, a 53 Buick Christmas. It's got a reef on it. And then we've got How I Did It here. We got my 1923 Ford there. And then we got my thing, all that there. So that's it. I'll show you the back side. And then, well, that's it for today. Hope y'all enjoy. Have a good one. Bye.